Hello students, following question is from part test 1 subject digital logic chapter logic gate, and it is a common data question. So we would have two questions of 2 marks each. In the common data which is given to us are the output of the 2:1 marks as shown over here is as A bar B plus AC bar, where A is the select line and B and C are my input to the mux. So for this given circuit as shown over here, in this question we need to find the value of Z2. So we can clearly see over here is, let us name this point as Z3. So fine, and the option given for Z2 are option A is A bar B plus BC plus A bar C. Option B is AB plus BC plus A bar C. Option C is A bar B plus BC plus AC. And option D is A bar B plus BC bar plus AC bar. So for this given options, what we need to find is which of them is the correct value of Z2. So what we'll do is first find the value of Z3, that is output of first 2:1 mux. So we can clearly see that Z3 would be equal to A bar B bar plus AB, that is nothing but equation of A XOR B, or I would say in other words it is complement of A XOR B, that is A XOR B the whole bar. Fine. So now similarly, now Z3 would act as a select line for my this mux, the below one mux, third mux. So for this Z2 output of Z2 would be A XOR B bar B plus A XOR B times C. So this is nothing but, since A XOR B is nothing but A XOR B the whole bar, so A XOR B bar would be equal to A XOR B as written over here, plus A XOR B times C. We know that A XOR B is nothing but AB bar plus A bar B, and A XOR B is AB plus A bar B bar. So expanding this, we would get this equation. Now opening the brackets, we would get A B bar B plus A bar B B plus ABC plus A bar B bar C. So just solving further, what we would get is this part would be 0 because A into A bar is 0 or B into B bar is 0. So this term would go. And from this, since B is repetition, we would write only once. So it would be A bar B plus ABC plus A bar B bar C. Now from this part, we would take B as common. So what we would get is A bar plus AC times B. Now using the law of absorption, we would get this part reduced to A bar plus C times B. Fine. Plus A bar B bar C, which is as continued from this part. Now again opening the brackets, we would get A bar B plus BC plus A bar B bar C. Now for taking the first term and the last term and taking from that A bar common, we would get B plus B bar C. Again applying the law of absorption, we would get A bar times B plus C plus BC. So solving this, we would get A bar B plus A bar C plus BC. That is nothing but our option A. Fine. So whenever we are given such kind of question, it is better to solve step by step, and using the basic laws and properties of Boolean algebra, we can find the final answer. So which in our case is option A, that is A bar B plus BC plus A bar C. Thank you.